Hey guys, there's been a lot happening in the media lately with mortgage rates. Obviously, lots of economists jumping on the bus now, talking about rates falling. It's pretty much in the bag that we'll get rate cuts by November, at least that's what economists are telling us. The real story now is whether or not rates move sooner than that. The numbers that have been coming out recently, particularly weak inflation number last week and very weak looking GDP, means that we could see the OCR decrease even sooner, and there's an increasing likelihood that that could be as early as the 14th of August, which is only a few weeks away. So a couple of options for you. Option one is if you're refixing, hold off to the last minute, potentially even let your loan roll onto a floating rate, at least until that August OCR, so that we can see what's happening and you can make a more informed decision about what you want to do next. If you're buying a new property, potentially settle your house on a floating rate with a view to fixing after that OCR date, once we know whether or not we're going to see a reduction in rates quite soon. Look, my general advice is don't get too caught up on fixed and floating. Floating rates are higher, generally at rates over 8%, whereas you can fix for 6 months at the moment at 6.95. You don't want to stay on floating for too long. I think it's just opportunities like we have right now where an OCR is coming up quite soon. You might want to float just for a little bit before you decide to fix. If you are fixing, fix short term in anticipation of falling rates. My advice at the moment would be the 6-month fixed rate at 6.95%.